Excuse me. Today, who are we here with?
Lilith.
Luis.
So,
You guys feel like doing a phone swap on Valentine's Day?
like, do y'all trust
Like,
each
do
other?
you guys trust each other?
I trust her.
Oh, really? Okay. Go ahead, you take your first thing.
Shut up. What are we looking for?
Anything. Like, do the messages. Just through the messages.
Okay.
To see. Yeah.
Kaden. Anything you want to look at? You sure?
I'm pretty sure, man. It's my stuff. It's
Your stuff.
half of those are confirmations on like PayPal.
I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah.
W relationship.
Alright. Today, who are we here with?
I'm sorry to tell you, but we're doing a Valentine's phone swap.
To Philadelphia! Hell no!
Do you guys want to swap phones or not? Oh, really? Y'all do it? Bryce, record this.
Bro, no, I'm not gonna record because that's not.
We're not gonna record you. That she said. I feel so bad. They look so cute together.
You guys wanted to do.
You sorry.
You can check that yourself.
He looked like Tiger. You remember Tiger? He looked like Tiger.
But
Who are we here with?
This is my girlfriend right here.
Yeah, what's your name?
But we're doing a phone swap on Valentine's Day. Do you guys trust each other or?
Yes, we trust each other a lot.
Okay, so today we're doing a phone swap.
Stop messing
If y'all
with
trust
us.
each other,
I would like to leave.
I would like you to swap phones.
Chill.
It's obviously that they don't trust each other.
How you feel? Get all niggas